Hey, I've sat through movie nights where something felt like it was missing, and then I powered on the RX-A6A and everything clicked into place. This is for the person who doesn't just want louder sound, you want dimension, movement, presence. You've noticed gear that once felt fine now sounds flat, like it doesn't quite match the intensity you see on screen. Before we go any further, check the current price and stock. Units with this level of performance don't stand still. You know that moment when you realize your old receiver isn't keeping up? You press play on a big scene and something feels distant instead of immersive. That tiny disconnect, between what you expected and what you actually heard, was your cue that compromise had run its course. The first time I fired up the RX-A6A, it didn't just output audio, it placed it. High channels opened the ceiling above me, or 3D added dimensional layers I didn't know I was missing, and surround, AI adjusted room cues with a subtle intelligence that made each track feel alive. Once you experience sound that sits around you instead of just playing in front of you, you'll notice the difference instantly. Imagine a rainstorm that feels like it's overhead, engines that move past you, or a score that doesn't just play, it embraces the room. Music stops sounding like a file and starts sounding like an event. Every whisper, every impact, every nuance resonates with intention. That's what happens when a receiver actually honors your speakers instead of just driving them. If you're hesitating, thinking maybe wait for a deal or maybe this is too much, notice this: every time you check alternatives, you keep circling back to what actually feels immersive. That's loss aversion in motion. You've lived with flat sound long enough to know you don't want to go back. One surprise benefit? The way this receiver keeps everything composed even when things get intense. You push volume, you push scenes, and it doesn't sweat, it just delivers. That's confidence built into the design. You don't have to manage the performance, you get to live it. You feel the depth in every scene, you hear layers you've missed before, you enjoy music with real dimension, you trust your system fully, you feel proud of what your setup can do. It's not confusing to navigate, it's not limited to movies or music. Eventually, endless comparisons just slow you down. You know what mediocre feels like because you've lived with it. You know what impactful feels like because you've heard it. And once you feel what immersive sound truly is, anything less feels like a compromise you no longer want to make. So if you're ready to stop watching and start living in every scene, check that price, check the availability, and make the call. The RX-A6A isn't just another receiver, it's the soundscape your room has been waiting for.